Today, we're diving into the Surface Direct, also known as the 3D workflow, and walking through how to run it from start to finish. First, open the panel configuration menu. Make sure your name is entered and your shell object is selected. Once those are set, head to the Surface Direct 3D panel and click Step 1, Create Grease Pencil. Draw your grease pencil strokes to define your pattern. When you're happy with the result, convert the stroke to a curve and start refining that boundary edge. Keep your curve clean and simple. Fewer points means a smoother panel later. Use Decimate to simplify while keeping the shape intact. Follow your shell's natural contours and switch handle types between auto and vector to shape sharp or soft corners. Rounded edges usually give better results than hard vectors. When you're satisfied, it's time to mirror the curve. Since this panel is symmetrical, select all vertices, move the 3D cursor to your symmetry axis, and run the Mirror Curve command. You'll now have a perfect mirrored pair. Next, select both sides and press F to connect the edges. Then, close the shape by enabling Cyclic Curve. Now we'll generate the mesh. Sample the curve to create your boundary geometry. Then run Fill Panel Order to fill it with quads. Set your number of spans. These control subdivision rows and surface density. Use the Panel Helper tools to optimize your topology. Toggle between Shrink Wrap and Quick Conform, and use Edge Selection to straighten or relax loops. The goal: smooth, balanced flow that matches your reference. Once you're satisfied, apply a solidify modifier to give your panel thickness. Adjust shading between flat and smooth depending on your preference. Keep your subdivision surface modifier above solidify. That's key to maintaining smoothness. Always put sub D at the top of your modifier stack. Calmer pace. Now, let's look at an alternate method. This one uses a nearest vertex algorithm to fix topology by aligning mesh points directly to the shell surface. It mimics the true pave behavior found in software like Modo, giving you balanced quads and cleaner topology. Still, you'll want to make minor manual adjustments for best results. You can also remesh using Blender's QuadriFlow. Set your target face count and enable quad output. It'll generate a nicely even quad mesh, though it might need some sculpt adjustments to refine edge flow. Use shrink wrap again to lock everything to the surface. This alternate method isn't required, but it's great for complex or irregular panels. Just remember, self-intersecting meshes won't remesh correctly. If your geometry folds back on itself, split it into separate parts and rejoin later using Boolean operations. If needed, jump into sculpt mode with shrink wrap active. Use grab, smooth, and push brushes to refine until it fits perfectly. With those techniques combined, you'll end up with a smooth, professional-grade panel mesh. Clean topology, perfect flow, and ready for projection or final surfacing.